Hey all, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gluten-free chicken parm. First things first, for a smaller batch, you'll need only 3 to 4 good-sized pieces of chicken like I have here today. In terms of prep, you're going to want to get that oven up to a 425 degree and let it sit while you do the rest of the prep work. What you'll want to do first is make the crust, which is made out of pork rinds, some Italian seasoning, some salt, a little bit of pepper. You're going to take the pork rinds, and if you have a blender, simply enough, just blend them together. And if you need to, take a bag, fill it with the pork rinds, and smash it down until it is similar to a powder. Once you get your breading, quotation marks, for the dish, you're going to take 2 bowls, sizable ones, fill one with some heavy cream and the other with your bread. You're going to take all of the ground up pork rinds with the Italian seasoning, pepper, and salt, and you are going to put it into a separate bowl and then add in some Parmesan cheese. Mix it well, and then you're going to start dipping in the raw chicken into the heavy cream. What you're going to do next is flip it around until it's fully coated in heavy cream, and then move it over into the bucket with the ground up pork rinds and other materials. You're going to flip it both ways until it's fully covered in all of the quote unquote breading you will need. You're going to repeat this process until all of the chicken you have is properly breaded. Just put them off to the side and start up the grill or fryer that you're using. Add a little bit of butter to the pan and wait for it to get to a medium high temperature. Now you're going to start taking the chicken that is fully breaded and put it in the pan with the butter that should be fully melted. Your heat should stay around a medium high, and you're going to want to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the bottom end is nice and brown. You're going to flip it, cook the other side till the chicken is basically fully cooked just through the pan. You're going to want to make sure that you spray the pan that you choose to use for this down with some non-stick spray to make sure that you actually have all of the breading come off and not just stick to the bottom of the pan. I like to wrap the pan in foil and then give it a good spray. Then lay down the chickens nice and flat side by side as close as possible. Once you've got the chicken side by side on your newly sprayed pan, you're going to take some sauce, preferably red sauce, and just spew it on top and nice and lather it around evenly. Then you're going to take the cheese that you got, spread it on top of that, and you're going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It should be fully cooked through by that point, and you should be able to see the layer of cheese starting to get a golden brown. And that's it.